Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and handy folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of handy tools you can find on Amazon. Whether you're a seasoned handyman or just getting started, these 10 cool tools are must-haves in your toolbox. Let's get right into it. Number 1. The Tant Allen Wrenches set is a versatile 22-piece kit with both metric and SAE sizes, perfect for any handyman or DIY enthusiast. Each wrench features color-coded sleeves for quick size identification, making your work more efficient. Crafted from robust rod material, the wrenches offer exceptional durability, especially in smaller sizes. The EVA sleeves ensure a comfortable grip, even in low temperatures. With extended lengths, these wrenches provide a better ergonomic fit and improved access to tight spots, making screw tightening precise and easy. The patented magnetic system allows for easy magnetizing and demagnetizing, preventing screw drops and debris adhesion. Made from special alloy steel, CRV, with an HRC rating of 58 to 62, these wrenches balance hardness and toughness, delivering high torsion strength. The Tant Allen Wrenches set combines practicality, durability, and innovation, making it a must-have for any toolkit. Number 2. The Tub Drain Remover Wrench is a must-have for any plumbing toolkit. It fits most 1 3/8 inch and 1.5 inch tub drains, making installation and removal a breeze. If your drain's crossbar is heavily corroded, you might need a tub drain extractor instead, but for most jobs, this wrench is perfect. Use it with an adjustable wrench or screwdriver for added leverage. Made from heavy-duty die-cast aluminum, this tool is durable, rust-free, and won't scratch your bathtub. Its dual-ended design adds versatility, with the small end at 1.3 inch in diameter and the large end ranging from 1.42 inch to 1.77 inch, an operational teeth depth of 0.35 inch. It's the reliable tool you need for smooth plumbing repairs. Number 3. The 38 pieces precision screwdriver set is a must-have for any tech repair enthusiast. This versatile kit includes 30 precision bits, perfect for tackling repairs on Ring doorbells, laptops, gaming consoles, iPhones, watches, and more. With bits for Phillips, flathead, Torx, security Torx, tri-wing, and pentalobe, you'll have everything you need. Designed for various devices, it's great for iPhones, Samsung, Huawei, iPads, MacBooks, Kindles, and gaming consoles like PS4 and Xbox. The magnetic screwdriver handle ensures easy bit changes and secures small screws, while the anti-slip design provides a comfortable grip. Made from high-quality S2 steel, these bits are durable and precise. The set also includes essential tools like a triangular spudger for screens, a double-ended spudger for back covers, a long spudger for internal parts, tweezers, a cleaning brush, a suction cup, and a SIM card thimble. Compact and comprehensive, this set makes all your tech repairs a breeze. Number 4. The Saker silicone caulking tools are a game-changer for anyone tackling home improvement projects. This 3-in-1 tool combines an internal angle scraper, flat angle scraper, and silicone smoother, making it perfect for removing old sealant and applying new caulk with ease. Here's a quick tip for a smoother glide. Slightly loosen the screws on the back for better maneuverability, but don't overdo it. Crafted with a sharp, hard stainless steel blade, this tool ensures long-lasting strength and durability. The silicone trowel removes bumps and dents, while the white silicone pads help apply new silicone smoothly. With this tool, you can effortlessly rip out old caulk and achieve a perfect finish without needing masking tape, saving you time and effort. Ideal for multiple scenarios, the Saker caulk remover and scraper is perfect for use in the kitchen, bathroom, on floors, tanks, windows, sinks, and more. Its smart dimensions make it suitable for both interior and exterior caulking tasks. This tool not only improves the quality of your work, but also enhances the aesthetic appeal of surfaces. The Saker silicone caulking tool is the perfect choice for anyone looking to efficiently and effectively handle caulking jobs. Number 5. The mini keychain knife is the perfect blend of convenience and functionality. This set includes 2 small folding pocket knives, each with a 1.6-inch blade and a liner lock for secure use. The upgraded design ensures the knife stays closed while you carry it, but opens easily with a simple push of the thumb stud. Featuring a secure liner lock, the blade remains firmly in place during use, and you can safely close the knife by setting the lock aside. With an open length of 4 inches and a closed length of 2.2 inches, these knives are slightly longer than the average key, making them perfect for everyday carry. Despite their small size, these utility knives are incredibly versatile, ideal for tasks such as opening packages, breaking down boxes, trimming stems, notching wood, cutting duct tape, twine, rope, and more. Compact yet powerful, the mini keychain knife set is a must-have for anyone in need of a reliable EDC tool. Number 6. The COA Cable Crimper is a versatile tool designed for professional and DIY coaxial cable installations. It works with various cable types including RG58, RG59, RG62, RG6, 3V2V, 4C, and 5C, featuring a two-blade design with fully adjustable and replaceable blades. Made from high-impact materials, it ensures durability and reliability. This 3-in-1 compression tool is compatible with RG6, RG59, RG58, BNC, RCA, and other compression connectors. It features a compression distance of 20.3 mm and utilizes high-standard crimping dies, ensuring precise and secure connections without damaging the F connectors. The connectors themselves are premium quality, constructed with anti-corrosion nickel-plated metal for indoor and outdoor use, providing a tight, weather-sealed connection suitable for applications like antennas, CATV, satellite, CCTV, and broadband cabling. Ideal for technicians and DIYers alike. This compact toolkit is perfect for installing satellite TV dishes, CCTV systems, moving cable TV and modems, or wiring up new houses. The COA Cable Crimper ensures professional-grade coax termination with ease and efficiency. Number 7. The Faucet Wrench beer faucet tool is an essential accessory for maintaining and adjusting your draft beer dispense system. Made from heavy-duty metal, this wrench is designed for durability and reliability. It features a dual-sided design. One side functions as a spanner wrench to tighten draft beer faucets to shank collars or tap towers, while the other side serves as a hex nut wrench for tightening keg coupler nuts. The wrench includes a rubber grip handle for comfortable use, fitting standard shank coupling nuts and beer hex nuts seamlessly. This makes it easy to perform maintenance, repairs, and installations on your draft beer system whenever necessary, ensuring proper flow and preventing leaks. Whether you're installing new equipment or making adjustments, the Faucet Wrench beer faucet tool provides the necessary leverage and grip to handle the job effectively. It's a must-have tool for any kegerator owner looking to maintain their draft beer setup with ease. Number 8. The Handlandy men's work gloves are designed to provide both comfort and functionality for various tasks. Featuring a stretchable spandex back, these gloves ensure a flexible and breathable fit, keeping your hands cool and comfortable during work. This construction is ideal for tasks that require dexterity and prolonged use. These utility mechanic gloves are equipped with touchscreen fingertips, allowing you to use your phone or tablet without needing to remove the gloves. This feature enhances convenience and efficiency, especially in environments where constant communication or reference to digital devices is necessary. For added protection, the gloves include foam-padded knuckles that help reduce impact and protect the top of your hands during rigorous activities. This feature enhances safety and comfort, making the gloves suitable for tasks ranging from construction and automotive work to gardening and general maintenance. Overall, the Handlandy men's work gloves offer a balance of comfort, protection, and practicality, making them a valuable addition to any worker's toolkit. Number 9. The MicroPro Universal 4-in-1 deburring tool set is a versatile and portable kit designed for efficiently removing burrs from various materials. It includes 4 types of blades: SUJ2 blade, high-speed steel blade, SUJ2 scraper blade, and SUJ2 countersink blade, all housed in a lightweight nylon plus TPR casing. Ideal for both DIY projects and professional industrial applications, this tool set effectively deburrs rough edges on pipes, tubing, steel, stainless steel, aluminum, plastic, and cast iron. It consolidates multiple deburring tools into one convenient package, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Constructed from professional SUJ2 steel and high-speed steel, the blades are durable, wear-resistant, and capable of performing rough to extra-fine deburring operations with precision. The lightweight design and spring lock mechanism ensure ease of use, with each tool securely locked in place when not in use. This handy and durable deburring tool set is essential for maintaining smooth and safe surfaces in various applications. Number 10. The PIT wire cutters flush pliers with supplementary stripping are versatile tools designed for precision cutting and wire stripping tasks. Constructed from high-carbon steel, they are sturdy and reliable, ideal for applications in electronics, jewelry making, 3D printing, and crafts. The ergonomic non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. These micro flush cutters feature ultra-thin dual blades, making them perfect for intricate tasks where precision is crucial. They excel in tasks such as electronics assembly and model building, ensuring clean and accurate cuts. Additionally, the wire strippers included in this toolset are specialized for 10 to 20 AWG wires, equipped with adjustable cutting blades and ergonomic handles for precise and comfortable wire stripping without damaging the conductive metal underneath. For safety and convenience, the wire cutters are designed with a safety lock mechanism, allowing you to secure the pliers when not in use. This enhances safety during storage and transportation. Overall, the PIT wire cutters flush pliers with supplementary stripping are essential tools for professionals and hobbyists alike, offering reliability, precision, and comfort for a wide range of tasks requiring detailed workmanship.